So guys, we have our sample project on. Now move to the starting point of the transition. Suppose around here, let's import the second video. Move the second video clip directly below the first one. Now select the upper video clip, Effects, Add Effect, tab on the search bar, search for Page Curve. Standard settings, expand it, move down, change the angle to 0 degree for right to left roll transition, 180 degree for left to right. Also we can play with the radius of the roll. Lastly, we have the progress. Change the progress parameter to 0. Then create your first keyframe, the duration of the transition. Change the progress to 100%. And we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.